Relentless pursuit. VBS liquidators reclaim R159 million and continue the hunt for billions lost by Satori News. In a tireless endeavor to address the colossal financial hemorrhage caused by the collapse of VBS Mutual Bank, liquidators have managed to recover R159 million of the staggering R2 billion that vanished from bank coffers. Anush Ruplal, the appointed liquidator, spearheads the formidable task to trace and salvage the bank's assets, offering a flicker of hope to creditors embroiled in the VBS scandal. The VBS Mutual Bank ordeal began unfolding in 2018 when it was thrust into the spotlight and placed into final liquidation. This move by the Johannesburg High Court marked the commencement of a complex process to mitigate the ramifications of the abuse of bank funds. The mandate given to the liquidation team involves thorough tracking and recovery of assets, aiming to distribute them equitably among the creditors. The first wave of financial relief arrived as a liquidation dividend of 7 cents per claim, with municipalities that had invested heavily in VBS receiving prioritized consideration. The group of creditors with lodged claims is diverse, including not only 13 municipalities, but also a range of business depositors, retail depositors, and supplier creditors. Retail creditors, particularly, had cushioning from the Reserve Bank guarantee, which covered the initial claim of up to R100,000 through Nedbank, assuring some degree of financial safeguarding. Meanwhile, individuals at the heart of the scandal faced their day in court. Philip Truder, VBS's former CFO, is out on parole after serving a partial sentence for his involvement in the corruption, fraud, and money laundering activities that played out within the bank's walls. Similarly, Shafiwa Matodzi, the former chair of VBS who stood central to the financial storm, has begun serving a 15-year jail sentence. Legal repercussions reverberate beyond these convictions. In a dramatic twist, Matodzi's affidavit alleges the EFF's top brass received illicit payments as hush money regarding the matter, which involved a loan issuance to former President Jacob Zuma. These allegations have invigorated the public discourse around the scandal, as the EFF leaders Julius Malema and Floyd Shivambu vehemently deny any wrongdoing. The weighty affidavit, according to legal expert Mashudu Kutama, is a pivotal piece in the investigative puzzle and opens a path for further legal proceedings and potential unraveling of documented evidence that could further expose the scandal. Still, as Kutama asserts, these allegations require rigorous examination within a courtroom. Meticulous and protracted legal scrutiny will certainly test the purported involvement of various high-profile individuals, including those yet to face charges. As the evidence is sifted and the due process of the law grinds forward, the potential breadth of the implicated parties grows, suggesting that the nefarious network may extend deep into the spheres of corporate governance and political affiliations. The South African Communist Party, SACP, has found itself embroiled in the controversy, though the party leadership, including Blade Nzimande, contests any claims of financial advantage resulting from VBS. The call for transparency and repayment from within the SACP ranks illustrates the profound ripple effect of the scandal across different political entities. For the thousands affected by the VBS Mutual Bank collapse, these developments signify a mixed landscape of slow-moving justice and the promise of further recoveries by the liquidation team. The pursuit to redress the vast financial loss continues as South Africa watches on, anticipating the next chapter in this extensive financial saga. Thank you for choosing Satori News.